YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today is a fun day where we're going to learn how to draw something awesome. Inky and I
That's me.
are going to be teaching you how to draw a giraffe.
Hey, do you know why giraffes have long necks?
No? Why, Inky?
I'll tell you later.
Okay, well, let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is draw a little ball shape with an opening. Then, you're going to have two little points sticking out like that and have it go all the way down. Then, do this spiky shape here. And do another one of these.
Like alien antenna. Take me to a year later.
The next thing that you're going to do is do this and then this line and the same thing on the other side. Then you're going to have a curve all the way back like that and the same thing on the other side.
Now that's symmetry.
Then you're going to have it go down like that on both sides. Go up like that, and then go all the way down here and connect at the bottom. The next thing that you're going to do is draw a line that goes like that, and then connects, but still has this little part going out. Do the same thing on the other side. Then, you're going to do this line here with two little commas inside. And last but not least, a long line like that. The next thing that you're going to do is do a line like that, the same thing on the other side, big circle inside each of these shapes with a little tiny circle at the top, a big circle over here. Then you fill in this part.
Fun fact, groups of giraffes are called towers, probably because they are very, very tall. In fact, they're the world's tallest living land animals.
Then the next thing that you're going to do is do some little spikes here. And do lines coming down like that.
I've always liked giraffes.
You have, Inky?
Yep, they're an animal I can really look up to.
Then you're going to do a line here. And a little squiggly line that goes out like that. And has a flame shape here. It goes all the way back down there. And a big line here. It goes down. So see? And then it keeps going down. And then ends up in a line here and goes back up with another C and comes back to this part. Then you do the same thing on the other side with a line like that, curved line like that, this part too. Then I'm going to do a curved line here, a little C shape here and here, a long line there, and a line that curves up like that, and a line here, a C shape, and this part. You're almost done with your giraffe. The next thing that you're going to do is the spots. You can make the spots look however you want.
And now, I can tell you why giraffes have long necks.
So, why?
Because they have stinky feet. I didn't tell you before because there was a giraffe behind you, and I didn't want him to be offended.
The giraffe is finished. I'm going to color it in fast motion.
Let's go!
And that's all for this giraffe. Thanks to my Grandma Marge for the suggestion. This was a fun one, and it's cute too. If you have any more suggestions, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thank you!
See you later!